What's good, YouTube? Tayelotto back here, and I wanted to let you know the one thing that got me and my business through 2020 during the pandemic and allowed me to make over $500,000 in a month revenue with Shopify dropshipping. The one thing that drove me and got me out of bed every day was this word right here. This word right here. Hustle. Let me tell you about hustle. Hustle is the number one thing you will need this year to be successful. If you don't have hustle, you don't have anything. When that Facebook ads manager get blocked, and I'm telling you real shit right now that you will need to know. I'm not going to tell you nothing else like any other people out there teaching you the wrong things just to get a sale from you. When your first ads manager get blocked, you gonna crumble. And it ain't gonna look good. It's going to take days and maybe weeks for you to get that ads manager back up that was generating you 100, 200, 300 sales a day. It might take you 2 weeks for you to explain to Facebook exactly what was going on, that you're not a scammer. You are providing value to the platform, and you're really a business. That one thing might take you 3 weeks. Now, you might be asking, why would you want to waste 3 weeks instead of hopping right back on a new ad account and getting up tonight? You are going to want to do that. You are. But that same ad account had your pixel on it. And as a new drop shipper coming into the new year, you just generated 300 sales a day. You don't know that you're supposed to track all your data on 5 to 10 different ad accounts. You don't know. So when you mess up and lose all that data that you generated from your previous sales, now you're able to generate 1, 2, and 300 sales per day to generate maybe $10,000, $20,000 in one day. Because it is true, you can do this, but you will completely fold if that ads manager, anything goes wrong in there and Facebook bans your account. That's one thing and one way that you need direct hustle in 2020 to be successful online. With anything you do, you need grind, motivation, hustle, and effort. You need it. So in 2021, let's upgrade the hustle. Remember, enter the $10,000 giveaway, giving away $10,000 cash. All you have to do is like this video. Let me know in the comments what you think you need this year to really hustle, really grind, and make $1, $2, $3 million this year. We're not going for the 100,000s, guys. We're not going for it. $100,000. When I make my first $1, $2, $300,000 one year, I was broke. Spent it. Not gonna lie. If you want to live that lavish life that everyone dreams about, or maybe you can take care of your kids. You can live a little average. Take care of your kids. Just get by. Make the extra $100,000 this year. But I'm telling you, if you want to make $1 million, $2 million, $3 million, you need to be up at 6 a.m. every day. Hustle, grind, motivating your culture so you can be a better person. Thank you. Enter the $10,000 giveaway. Let's get it.